Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6, triangles, exercise 6.5, page number 150 of your mathematics textbook. Question number 7. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. First, let us draw a rhombus. So, this is a rhombus A, B, C, D. Now, let us draw the diagonals of a rhombus. So here we have A, C and B, D as diagonals. Let us name this point as O. We know that in a rhombus, the diagonals, that is AC and BD, bisect each other at right angles. So first let us write the given part. So here we have angle AOB equal to angle BOC, which is equal to angle COD, which is equal to angle DOA, which is equal to 90 degree. So all these angles are 90 degree. And here the diagonals bisect. So what is bisect? Bisect means the diagonals are divided equally. So the diagonal AC is divided equally. So they are AO and OC. So AO is equal to OC. So we can write AO is equal to CO, and we have BO is equal to DO. So here the diagonals are bisected. Now here we find triangle AOB is a right triangle, right angled at O. So let us write first to prove. So what we need to prove here? The sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. The sum of the squares of the sides. So here we have sides AB, BC, CD and DA. So the squares of the sides, sum of the squares of the sides means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So which are the diagonals here? AC square plus BD square. So we need to prove this. Let us move to the proof. So in triangle AOB, which is the hypotenuse here? AB. So AB square will be equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square. So we got this by Pythagoras theorem. Next we have AB square is equal to OA square. Now what is OA? OA is half of AC, isn't it? So instead of OA, let us write half of AC to the whole square plus what is OB? OB is half of BD, isn't it? So it is half of BD square. So next we get AB square is equal to, so here it becomes 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square. So I can write this as AB square is equal to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So we get AB square is equal to, let us take the LCM. So we'll get AC square plus BD square. So then next, let us cross multiply this. So we get 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. So let us take this as 1. Next, in triangle BOC, so which is the hypotenuse here? BC, isn't it? So BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. So again, this is by Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is equal to OB is half of BD, isn't it? So we get BD by 2 to the whole square plus OC is half of AC, so AC by 2 to the whole square. So here we get BC square is equal to BD square by 4 plus AC square by 4. So once again take the LCM here. You get BD square plus AC square. Cross multiply, you get 4BC square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So take this as 2. Next, in triangle DOC. So in triangle DOC, the hypotenuse is CD, isn't it? So CD square will be equal to OC square plus OD square. So here we get CD square is equal to OC is half of AC square. So AC. So AC by 2 to the whole square plus OD is half of BD, so BD by 2 to the whole square. So here we get CD square is equal to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So let us take the LCM. You get AC square plus BD square, and then cross multiply, you get 4CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Take this as 3. And next we have to consider the triangle AOD. So in triangle AOD, AD square is equal to, AD is the hypotenuse, so AD square is equal to OA square plus OD square. So AD square is equal to AC by 2 to the whole square plus BD by 2 to the whole square. So AD square will be AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So take the LCM, you get AC square plus BD square by 4 and then cross multiply. You get 4AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. And consider this as 4. Now what you need to do is, you need to add all these 4. So adding 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get, first let us add the left hand side, that is 4AB square plus 4BC square plus 4CD square plus 4AD square is equal to, and then add what is there on the right hand side, that is AC square plus BD square plus BD square plus AC square plus AC square plus BD square and plus AC square plus BD square. So here in the left hand side we have 4 common. So let us take it out. And what is left inside? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square, which is equal to, we have AC square here, here and here. So we have altogether 4 AC square plus we have 1, 2, 3, 4 BD squares. So 4 BD square. So write 4 into AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to 4. Here what is common? 4. So let us take it out. So AC square plus BD square. So here 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we are left with AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square equal to AC square plus BD square. So this is what we had to prove. So hence proved. Thank you, students.